Hello, welcome to Photoshop Ultimate. In this video, I'll discuss the differences between a bitmap and vector graphics. Computer graphics are typically categorized into two flavors, bitmap graphics or vector graphics. A bitmap, also called raster graphic, is created from rows of different colored pixels that together form an image. In their simplest form, bitmaps may only have two colors, with each pixel being either black or white. With increasing complexity, an image can include more colors. Photograph quality image may have millions, JPEG, PNG, GIF, TIFF, as well as the image displayed on a computer monitor. The outputs of printers, scanners, and similar devices are all examples of bitmap graphics. Bitmaps are created using programs like Adobe Photoshop. Vectors, also known as object-oriented graphics, are constructed using mathematical formulas describing shapes, colors, and placement. Rather than grid or pixels, a vector graphic consists of shapes, curves, lines, and text, which together make a picture. While a bitmap contains information about the color of each pixel, a vector contains instruction about where to place each of the components. It is even possible to embed a bitmap graphic within a vector graphic, which is how vector bitmap graphics work. It is not possible to embed vector information within a bitmap. Examples of vector graphics format are EPS, SVG, PICT, WMF. These are created with GIS and CAD applications. In general, a bitmap graphics is much larger than a vector graphic. Bitmap graphics are affected by resolution. If you enlarge a bitmap graphic, it will look jagged. When shrunk, its features become indistinct and fuzzy. This does not happen with vector graphics, as their shapes are redrawn to compensate for changes in resolution. Vector graphics are not appropriate for complex image, for example, digitized image. So that is it on the differences between bitmap graphics versus vector graphics. I'll see you in the next video.